All right, guys. So welcome to day number 3 of fixing our subscribers Shopify store. Okay, so before we begin, if you have not joined the Facebook group, the link is down below. Okay, we have some guys that are already making sales. People are learning in the Facebook group. I'll give you updates on different things so that you can improve your Shopify store. So the links are down below. And also, if you want to actually have more resources, you can check out my website. I have all my resources. You can get your winning product strategy guide on the right hand side on my website. So you don't want to miss out on that. So we're going to be actually looking at woodpeak.com. Okay, so we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be doing a little bit of improvements, and also we're going to be doing some practice on targeting, okay, on Facebook. Okay, so we're going to try to find the target for this store. Okay, so it's going to be a little bit different. I hope you guys enjoy. So let's not waste any time. Let's actually start. So the first thing that I noticed is we have the bar right here, right? It's too small. You actually really can't see it. Since I'm a web designer, you actually want to actually make this a little bit bigger, right? You actually want to tone down the font, right? Because you need to actually make it bold. You need to probably lessen the words. It's just too much. Okay, you're just offering too much. You say get $5 off when you buy $14 or more merchandise without it. Like, it's just too much. You just want to be straightforward, straight to the point, and let them know what they're getting, right? The font selection, it's okay. It might be better if you maybe bold it, especially when you have a background image. Let's see, let's check out our products. Okay, so you list out your products again. So once again, you probably want to bring up your newsletter. Okay, you want to bring this newsletter up here because it's very important to collect emails, guys. It helps you in the long run. All right, so and it also, if somebody signs up with your email or with to your newsletter, you can start promoting products to them. Okay, it's not only you have to pay for traffic and then let them land, and then that's the only time you really promote your products. You can actually get their email, and you can start promoting products that way too. Okay, so I explained that in my Shopify degree system. You can actually collect emails and start promoting. Okay, that's how I actually raised $2,000 just from launching my first store. Okay, I literally just collected emails. I did a giveaway. I collected their email and I started promoting my products to them. Okay, so it's a very good strategy that I think that you guys should utilize ASAP. Okay, all right, so let's check out the links down below. Okay, so we only have, it looks like they're only promoting on Facebook. Okay, so this is good for this video. Okay, so the Facebook link is actually working. They have a couple people buying, so it's pretty successful so far. They have some Facebook ads running, which is good. I'm liking the ads so far. So let's actually go back and check out what kind of products they have. Okay, so let's go into men's jewelry. And I saw this watch. I think they were promoting this watch, right? So once again, you probably want to bring this down, right? You probably want to bring this down. You want to actually bring the description a lot higher. Okay, it's very important because you want to list out the benefits. You're trying to convince the customer as quick as possible. Okay, so you probably want to bring this down, bring the description a little bit higher. And also, I think you really need to improve the product description a little bit more. Okay, like I said, these are just features, right? Like, people know about features. People know that it's black. People know it's brown, right? But you want to give out a benefit for this product. Okay, what's the reason for them to buy this product, right? Everybody can say the same black, it's brown, it's a wooden material, right? You want to give some benefits. These are important, but put those as bullet points, but at least give them an incentive. Okay, so you have best wood quality watches. Give more incentive for that, right? So that's definitely what I would improve. Okay, so you have free shipping, which is good. Okay, so you have a notice here. This watch is made from natural wood and wrapped by hand, so it may have some natural harsh lines and a few blemishes. Okay, so that's good. You let the customer know what's about the watch. If something bad happens, or if something happens to the watch, that's good that you let them know. That builds trust. Okay, customers love to hear these things. Okay, all right, so let's do some Facebook targeting for this person. Okay, so we're going to start off with the wooden watch for the men. Okay, so the first thing that people would typically do here is they would target watches, or they would target like a watch, right? They would just type in watch, right? They would just type in watch. But the bad thing about this is, everybody loves a watch. I love a watch, but I technically wouldn't want to buy one right now, right? So, people would just type in smartwatch, right? Or they would target all these watches. But the key here is you need to look at your product, okay? So what's the features of the product, right? It's a wooden watch. It's a watch, of course. Is it luxury? Is it, a low quality, not low quality, but is it, a little bit on the lower class? What is your ideal target for this watch, right? So what I would do is, instead of, targeting a watch where everybody's probably interested in that, maybe target woodworkers, right? This is a wooden watch, for, just people that love watches, right? But the unique thing about this watch is a wooden watch. So, one of my ad sets for this watch would be, woodworkers or something, right? Like woodworking. This would be a good ideal target for, this watch. Woodworking. As you can see, there's 58% women, 42% men. So then you just ideally just look at the page likes. So you can come to the page likes, and you can literally target all these places: woodworking enthusiastic, log homes, old timers, Southern boys outdoors. Or you can get a little bit more savvy and actually go to the actual retail shopping retail. So you can target Michael's stores. You can go to, let's see, you can target maybe IKEA. You can target let's see, food and beverages. Let's see, you can target home. You can come here for the home garden website for country lifestyle, homemaking.com, right? Instead of just targeting watches where everybody is doing, or they're just, people love watches. I love watches. I'm probably in that category, but I would not buy, this watch for myself, because I'm not technically interested in that. But maybe somebody that loves woodworking, or people that love outdoor things, right? So this would be a good example on, think about what your product is, okay? Think about this product, go on here and, put out the interests and what you think people would be interested, instead of doing the lazy targeting that most people do, right? People are going to target smartwatches, people are going to target watches, people are going to target Hublot watches, right? Somebody that wears Hublot probably wouldn't wear this, okay? So you want to actually do your research and figure out what's your targeting, okay? Just like I said, if you put the right product in front of the right audience, you're a gold mine, okay? So let's do a little bit more deeper into this, okay? So let's go to page likes and scroll all the way down. So with the affinity, these affinity means that people are most likely liking, these all of these at the same time. So a person that's liking woodworking most likely likes this too, okay? So this is what affinity and all that stuff. So you can actually target all these by relevance. So of course the first one is actually the best targeting for this watch, or whatever you're trying to target, okay? So I would stick to the top 5, or you can get a little different, test out different things, right? All right, so we're about to check out another product so far, okay? Remember guys, this is a different type of video. If you're loving these videos, make sure you like and subscribe, okay? So today we're doing like a Facebook research kind of thing, okay? So let's go into women's outwear, okay? So we're gonna go to women's outwear, And let's check out these sunglasses over here. Let's check out these right here. Okay, so once again, you have women's sunglasses. This is pretty too generic. Maybe do women's cat sunglasses. This is probably would be a lot better to say, right? The price is good. Remember, bring this down, beef up your product description, list out some benefits. You know, maybe even put some celebrities on your page, right? That's good. That's would boost your conversion for sure. You know, put some celebrities wearing this exact same glasses. I've seen a couple people wearing it. So let's do some Facebook targeting with this. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Audience Insight, and you know what, typically, again, what people would do is sunglasses. They would type in sunglasses. They type in sunglasses, and you know, try to target, you know, everybody that's in sunglasses. Once again, I love sunglasses, but that's technically not what I'm trying to, you know, what I would get right now, right? So what you want to do is maybe, you know, do a little research, you know, type in cat sunglasses on Google, right? You can actually search cat sunglasses on Google, maybe even look on images and see people that are actually wearing this type of glasses. Or you can go on Instagram and type in cat sunglasses and see what audience or what people are actually wearing it, right? So let's do an example. I actually seen you know, Cardi B. So Cardi B is actually one of like the most popular people right now, right? She's a big influence. Okay, so what I would do is I would actually go to Audience Insight and actually target Cardi B. Okay, so this is primarily women fans. Okay, these are gonna, of course, it's gonna be all women, okay, in the younger age, right, from 18 to 34. So with this, the cat sunglasses is more of a young, hip, you know, I see a lot more young females wearing this. I can see a lot more young females wearing this. So maybe if you find that caliber public figure that's actually people that are interested in, you know, let's say Cardi B, right? You can target this age group of 18 to 24. So if you're running a Facebook ad, you probably wouldn't want to target 65, you know, 45, you know, maybe, you know, half of 35 to 44, but then you can just literally just change it to let's say 45. Let's say, yeah, let's say 44, actually 35. Okay, so you have 35, right? So now you have people that are actually interested in Cardi B. Of course, most of the people are single because they're young, right? So then you can actually go to page likes, and this is where all the good stuff happens, right? So now you have these people that are interested in Cardi B that love all of these things. So we have some other public figures you can target. We have some health and beauty. You can try these right here, especially if you're doing like health products. We also have some entertainment websites. I also see these all the time, you know, especially on the Shades Room, the Baller Alert. So this is pretty accurate, guys. Maybe BET Music. You know, you want to target, you know, these young type of audience, right, for this type of glasses. So once again, if you come down here, the affinity is most likely what people are most likely like tied into, you know, liking these pages together. Okay, so a person that likes Hennessy Carolina is probably liking Cardi B as well. So, you know, this is just a basic you know, Facebook ad retargeting, Audience Insight tool. You can use this to really drill down on your audience, and you know, you could check out by the location. You know, you can even get a little bit more savvy and see what kind of things they actually purchase, right? Their purchase behavior. So, you know, there's so many different things you could do. Just a short, sweet video for you guys. This is day number 3. Remember, guys, if you want me to actually, you know, if you want to actually get in on this and you want me to critique your site on this challenge, right? Make sure you comment down below. If you're loving these videos, just like the video, subscribe if you're new, and you know, we're gonna keep doing it as long as you guys are, you know, if I see that people are liking the video and commenting, you know, being more engaged, right? So at the end of the day, your boy's still here. Peace out.